In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Patreon account. If you're ready to permanently remove your Patreon account, I'll walk you through the process step by step in a simple way so you know exactly what to expect. This process is done through Patreon's privacy options in your browser, so make sure you're signed into the correct account before you begin. Start by opening Patreon in your web browser. Once you're on the site and logged in, go to your profile area. From there, look for the privacy policy option and select it. This will take you away from the main account area and into Patreon's privacy related page, which is where the account deletion request begins. After that, a new window or page will open. On this page, find and tap the option labeled Make a Privacy Request. This is the section Patreon uses for requests involving your personal data and account related privacy actions. If the page looks a little different, depending on your device or browser, just look for the same wording and continue. Next, another window will appear with different privacy request options. Here, tap Erase. Choosing Erase tells Patreon that you want to request deletion of your account data. This is an important step, so make sure you select the correct option before moving on. Once you do that, you may see a permission prompt. When it appears, press Allow. This usually gives the system permission to continue processing your request properly. If your browser asks for access or confirmation, just review the prompt and proceed by allowing it so you can move to the final stage. Finally, press Confirm Request. This submits your deletion request to Patreon. After confirming, your request should be sent successfully, and Patreon will begin handling it according to their privacy process. As a quick tip, before you delete your account, it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need access to any memberships, creator pages, or billing history connected to that account, since deletion requests are typically meant to be permanent. Also, keep an eye on your email for any follow-up communication in case Patreon needs additional confirmation. And that's all it takes to delete a Patreon account. If you followed along with these steps, your request should now be submitted successfully.